Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle in today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, July the 30th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles. Regular puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left. The JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock. In Japanese, Sugu. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not now but in the evening. Now we will continue with this JigSaw Sudoku. News of the day, well, I've heard on TV the Hamas leader is killed by the Israelis. Not in Israel, not in Gaza, but in Iran, yeah, outside Israel. So the people in Iran is not pleased. So I think the war is these 48 hours very important, but I think there will be a retaliation. War with Hamas, war with Hezbollah, war with maybe Iran. So Israel, what are you doing now? No peace with everyone. Anyway, let me continue. This one will be 8993. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot. 16 printed digits. Usually, the hard ones, JigSaw Sudokus, have 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has a lot, 16. So I don't think it's a 3-star puzzle. I think it's a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle I need to be faster than 14, maybe 30 minutes. Or maybe it's a 1-star. 1-star puzzle need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. 3 stars puzzle 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 0 or 1-star or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always 1. I see 2 single boxes here, 1 there, 1. Okay, let me put the 1 there. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see only 1 dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Next question, do we have here triple boxes then? No triple boxes in this puzzle. How about quadra boxes? I see here 1 quadra box. Cannot fill this yet. Insufficient information right now. Then, overlook this triple box. Well, overlook this triple box. Well, contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 1 is already given, so those 2 boxes should be 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Overlook this. Anyway, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember, yeah, that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box, and here another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Well, it can be a 2. We have a 2 here, so it should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. Okay, more? No. Only 3 of them. Then the following shape. How about the Z construction? If you rotate this to the right side, you will get the Z. If you flip this or mirror this, you will get the S construction. It's the same shape. Alright, let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Only one Z constriction. Then the last shape, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. Where you see the L shape? Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround a 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here or there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 2 there. If I place the 2 here, then this box is connected with that box should be so a 2. But we already have a 2 here in the same area. So not a solution to place the 2 there. Only place level 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Alright, then these 2 boxes can be 3. Those 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box level 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then let me see. Well. This box can be a 1. These 2 boxes surround 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be 1, but also that box can be 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 there because we have a double 1 there. If I place the 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 is supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and 4. We have 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and 4 goes and there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this quadra box should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there and is connected with that box should be so 1, and this one is connected with that box should be as a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. Then let me see. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Well, this box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. That box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Complicated. Okay, let me go up. This box can be 1. This box can be 3. So 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this quarter box for number 2. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. This box can be 1. This box can be 4. So the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes and there. Alright. Then, let me see. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me think. No. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Well, these 3 boxes surround 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. Then these 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this area is supposed to be here. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround a 5 can be 5. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. Is connected with that box, should be so 2. Is also connected with that box, should be so a 2. Alright. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Let me think. 3 and 4. Oh, we need to go down. This box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. And that box can be a 5. We have a double 5 here. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 5. So the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there and a 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 4. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 no more. That box should be a 5. 1 digit left in this Z construction for number 3. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, let me mark those. Let me think. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 3 and 4, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 1. 3 and 1, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. 3 and 4, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. Finished in 12 minutes. Well, told you. Can I buy you 3 stars? Can I be a 2 stars? Not a 1 star? Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 30 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so to make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening, yeah, with the other 4 puzzles. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye bye for now.